Thanks for joining us once again. Light some candles, grab a robe, throw some Yanni on. It's time for another episode of What the Fuck Is That in the Fridge? Now first we have, what the devil is that? Well, that was odd. Anyway, here we go. Opening of the fridge. First we have a bag of moldy carrots slices. Some of these dates aren't even worth checking because they're just not even worth checking. This is the oddest thing I've ever seen. Old and mold. That's what it is. I mentioned my brother wished to have an olive eating contest, and he said, well, that wouldn't be enough. And I think he's right. That wouldn't be enough. So, maybe one day we'll have some more. Alright. Then we have super old macaroni and cheese. I don't even know why I just touched that. You know what? I'm just gonna put it back in the fridge. Fuck it. I'm just gonna keep it back in there. Alright. This, I believe, is about 3 months old. About 3 months old. So yeah. There's that in the fridge. That's always important to have. Way back here we have some what used to be black beans that are probably now gray beans, if you will. Gray beans. Yeah, we'll put those back in there too. Alright. This onion is growing again. It's a regrowing onion. Here, let me throw that away. I don't even like onions to begin with. Now these are celery sticks that I've turned just straight to liquid. That is celery right there. You getting a good shot of that, Larry? That is nasty as shit. Alright, and this, I'm probably thinking we're like crazy as shit. We just never, don't even smell that either. We just never eat at home, you know what I mean? So, okay. Alright, we've had this for a long time. It's like a little, like, nibble of cheese. And we've, like, saved it for whatever reason. I'll put that back. We do have butter and cheese that are good still. So that's good. Butter and cheese. And plenty of bush. Good too. Nice. Alright. Now we have margarita mix. That's like a half of a sip right there. That's like not even enough to save. We've been saving it for a few months now. Same thing with the margarita mix. Make about a half a drink with that. Why not save that for 5 months? You know, like we did. Alright. And the last thing, the finale, is it's a rubber chicken. It's a rubber chicken in the fridge.